हाँ? This is one of our classes in the education campus. Very well ventilated, airy, big, spacious, having many tube lights and fans for the comfort of the children and the teacher. My children can pay attention and teacher can teach to the best of her ability. Let's enter into another classroom and see what's going on. The same spacious room with the same facility to facilitate the teaching learning process in MBM Education Campus. Now let's look at the empty classroom. How does it look without the teacher and the students? Just to get a clear picture of our infrastructure. This is our pre-primary section. Bright, colorful room with lovely smiling children.
Sit down there, sit down. Karan, you go and sit down there. Samruddhi, let Karan sit there. He'll go for some rest. Just tomorrow. Tanvi, you go and sit there.
Again, pre-primary section where teacher and children are praying at the beginning of the day. MBM believes in multi-religious faith. So every day we have a prayer from different religion. And this begins right from the pre-primary section. The children smilingly, lovingly pray with great devotion. MBM believes in the development of physical, mental, emotional, and thus to facilitate every faculty's development we have a big spacious science laboratory where children come and perform experiments under the guidance of the teachers. Here you see few children along with the teachers performing various experiments. In this science lab, we have a lab technician too, who takes care of the science laboratory. MVMites are very fortunate to have one of the best facilities available to them in this area. This is audio visual room, which has advanced technology to impart teaching along with the visual and audio aids, where teacher uses this modern infrastructure to teach her lesson and make the lesson very interesting. The comfort of the children is taken care too. It's cool when they sit and enjoy the best of the facility to learn from best of the teachers in this area. Educational campus has state-of-the-art IT center. It has many computers with latest software where children enjoy what's happening in the world. We have excellent IT staff who imparts theory as well as practical knowledge to our children. Educational campus is one of the very few schools of Mumbai having a sit-down library. In our library, we have over 5,000 books from various sections. We have general reference books, English literature, books on science, history, geography, Hindi, Marathi, journals, magazines, also TV and a computer. We have a well-equipped librarian who guides students and teachers to navigate through the books effectively. Welcome to MVM's Junior College of Campus. We have well-ventilated, big, roomy lecture halls where students can sit and enjoy the lectures. We have well-qualified teachers to teach our junior college students.
Not maintaining the right company is not maintaining the register. Here, so what will be a default? That is a fine of rupees. What is the fine of rupees? 500 rupees. And we have done the instructions in the company whenever any members company require instruction. Anytime they can come and explain whatever the
Our college has wide choice of subjects. It ranges from very popular subjects to highly specialized subjects. In these highly specialized subjects, we have few students and well-qualified teachers to teach these subjects. Campus. For the better understanding of the classroom, now we are showing you an empty classroom of MVM's Junior College of Commerce, Lecture Hall number 1. This is MVM's Educational Campus School Auditorium. Our school auditorium has a gallery view too. The capacity of the school auditorium is over 500 students.